So this is my personal workstation. Don't mind the mess behind here, guys. Just wanted to showcase my system. It's inside the Sliger Cerberus X case. Absolutely love this case because it's a small enough form factor that I can actually take this PC with me. You can attach a handle to the top, which is pretty cool. Bring it on carry-on with me. I bring it to conferences sometimes as well. I just wanted to share kind of the possibilities here. You don't always have to build gaming PCs. You can build a custom liquid loop for a workstation build. A lot of system integrators are building custom loops for workstation nowadays too. And this is something that I built in the meantime with some parts laying around. So I do some light workstation work, mostly editing and a little bit of gaming. But the parts I have here, Ryzen 9 5900X, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and this is a GTX 1080 Ti. And all of this is custom liquid cooled, as you guys can see, with our TRI-SWIFT AM4 block. So this is a 240 millimeter thick radiator. Don't mind the tubing at all. I could have been a lot more deliberate with my tubing runs, but I just put it together and it's kind of a mess in there. It's small, compact, a 750 watt SFX power supply in there. We also have this tiny reservoir. These two fans on the radiator are actually intake, pulling cool air from the bottom. And we have one exhaust fan at the very top. Temps can range anywhere between 60 to 70 degrees C on the CPU, and anywhere between 40 to 50 degrees C on the GPU. Actually, we can monitor temps right now. We're running Classroom Benchmark in Blender, and CPU's maxing out around 70 degrees C. Blender, we're only running CPU, we're not really running GPU, as you guys can see, so it's kind of idling. The side panels on this system comes up just like this. They actually have these vent holes. What I would probably do in the future is probably flip these fans to exhaust and have this come in as intake and have a side mounted intake fan over here as well. So we have dual intake coming in from the top and we exhaust at the bottom. I'll probably redo these tubing runs, but for now, this is a pretty compact case. The 1080 Ti is 6 years old, almost, and it serves me pretty well on 1080p gaming. The 12-core Ryzen CPU serves me pretty well whenever I'm rendering Fusion 360, whenever we're doing some design work or SolidWorks. Just wanted to make this video showcasing my personal build. So if you guys are running a small form factor workstation with a custom loop as well, let me know in the comment section below. Love to check out some of the parts that you guys have. Really appreciate you guys watching this video. Click the like and subscribe for more workstation / PC builds.